how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. So the default for most phones these days is being able to choose whether or not anything is in light mode or dark mode. So as you can see right here in my Instagram right now, I'm in light mode, and you might driving yourself crazy trying to go into these settings and trying to figure out how to flip it or match it to dark mode. If you use your phone in dark mode, if you use other apps, you will notice that they always have this toggle to choose if you want to turn it to a dark mode or to a light mode. Okay, but don't waste your time, because you won't find it in Instagram app. You won't find it here actually. You won't find a button that helps you to turn on to the dark mode or light mode. But there's other way that Instagram has working on for both Android and iPhone users. And for iPhone users, which you're gonna just go up here and you will see the light. Okay, and you're gonna just hold the light and you will see that true tone, the night shift in the dark mode. And once you turn on the dark mode, everything on your phone will be on dark mode. Okay, and whenever you go to any other app to use, it will match your dark mode settings. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.